Okay, we are live now. Great. We will wait for people to join. Okay. So today is the resume session. Okay, day 5 of your resume session. So I just wanted to make sure I take few of your resumes where I'm going to tell what exactly your resume should look like, how my resume was able to select in various kinds of companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Walmart. So the same tips and tricks I'll be sharing with you in this live. So I would request everyone to share your resumes. I'll be giving the drive link soon so that you can come and share your resumes. Okay. So let me share the drive link with you all, and we will wait for a few more people to join. We will try to understand. Yes, great. Hi all. Hi, good evening. Thanks a lot for joining. You all are taking your time and joining here. So today we'll be discussing about the resume reviews. Okay, so I'll be doing your resume reviews. Those who are interested, you can upload your resumes in this drive, which I'll be giving, and then I will be talking about how we can take this ahead. Okay. Okay, people on LinkedIn, thanks a lot for joining. All right. Thanks a lot. Great. Okay, great. So let me share this link, guys. All of you, those who are interested. Yes. Hi. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. What is this public? It's already live. Great. Good evening. Got rejected for open bet. Okay. Umar is always like happy with rejections also. Got rejected with what type of questions people asked? Okay. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, first of all, to everyone. Those who are watching me on LinkedIn also are happy Vinayak Chaturthi and Ganesh Chaturthi. So people on LinkedIn, you can say a quick hi, and then we can roll out the resumes. Look out for you. And those who want to have their resume reviews, please upload your resume here on this drive link which I have given. Click on this drive link, and it will take you to the drive, and you can upload your resume there. Okay. So same I'm going to give to the LinkedIn people also. So you can click on this link and upload your resume on the drive, which I'm going to share. Yes. So you can upload it. I know that today is Ganesh Chaturthi, so very less people will be there. But good to see you all. Like this is what the contribution or the motivation is, right? Thanks a lot, and great, Hussein. Thanks a lot. Bro, I am from application support, unskilled with DevOps, gave interview, but most of the time they want those who have production hands-on. Even my organization, what should you have to check some YouTube videos or documents which are giving you the production scenarios, troubleshooting scenarios. That will help you. Okay. So guys, please share your, please upload your resume on the drive which I have shared. Okay, then we will slowly. Oh, okay. You guys have shared your resumes. Okay, great. So let me share my screen. I was not expecting that real quick. You will upload the resumes. Okay, great. So we have got almost 3 resumes here. So yes, 4 resumes. Okay, great. So all of you see here, YouTube drive. This is the drive which I've shared with you. So we will go one by one resume, and we will see how the people are, what are the different kinds of things you have to do, what are the changes that you have to do. We will be going one by one. Okay. So first, let's start with Ankit. Okay. So I will be very much interested only from your summary. I'll not look at your details, your professional details and all those things. So guys, able to share, able to see my screen? Yes. Everyone is able to see my screen? Give me a quick yes, and then we can do this. Yes. Are you able to see my screen? The resume wala screen? Yes, great. So all of you see here, first and the foremost, okay, let me check. Ankit, yeah. So first and the foremost, Ankit Arya's resume is this, guys, and he's telling the summary: result-oriented Python Django developer with 9 years of experience in IT, in DevOps and cloud technologies, proven expertise in designing scalable web applications, creating efficient CI/CD pipelines, leveraging AI ML for data-driven solutions, skilled in architecting. I think this is really good. This tells that you are a Python developer. But see, the first thing which I felt like you are a Python developer, then you converted as a DevOps and cloud, then everything here is of DevOps and cloud. So I would suggest either you can move this letter to somewhere here in the field of DevOps cloud and Python Django automations also, or you can say like results oriented DevOps and cloud engineer with 9 years of hands-on experience in Python, something like that, so that people can understand you are a profile of DevOps and cloud, and you also are aware of like how the development of Python and Django works, right? Now, if you see technical skills, the only thing which I am feeling is for 9 years experience, please change your resume template. The resume template looks very old, and it should be very bold. It should be very fresh when someone is seeing. So obviously the resume template which you have used is very what you call like very old. Yeah, I'll be removing this pop-up. Yeah, very old. So please update your resumes here. Like with the new template, you have to take it. I think that is one of the important thing you have to do. Okay. Now let's see the technical skills which Ankit is telling. DevOps and cloud infrastructure, CI/CD pipeline or implementation, architected and implement. Okay. So see, again, one thing, when you are putting this subheading, right, the subheading demands at least 2 to 3 points for every project that you have done. Okay. For example, let me tell you to everyone, if you say CI/CD pipeline implementation, it will not end with one line, guys, right? It should be there. When you're putting a subheading, people are expecting more of 3 to 4 lines of this particular project. What have you done in this? What? So I would suggest, if you are telling like technical skills, it need not be like this. So here, if I am seeing you have not mentioned Python at all, right? Guys, are you able to understand? But I am here seeing you are a Python Django developer, what you have put here. But here, there is no such automations which you have written with Python. So either of the area has to be changed, right? If you are telling that, okay, Praveen, I will keep like this, I will keep like this, then here, more points should be added, like Python automations, keep one heading and add what you have done. So like that, you can add it. Okay, so you have divided your experience. So you are telling like here, you are telling programming and scripting. Okay. So Python, AIML, front-end, microservice architecture. Okay. Okay, this looks good, but it was a little bit confusing for me, like what role you were looking for, right? Ankit, are you there in live? Yes, are you there? If you are there, maybe you can tell me like what role you are exactly looking for, because I see the entire resume is divided into two main components, that is DevOps and cloud and scripting Python. So cloud platforms, you are telling this. Databases, you are telling this. Okay, now let's see work experience. You are working with SR, SC, TO, CSS, Cell, DMRC, Government of India. Okay. April 2018 to present, design and implement a scalable queue scheduling Django web application hosted on AWS utilizing AWS EC2 for compute. Okay. So you are using AWS EC2 and AWS RDS for your project. Develop and deploy a machine learning model for predictive maintenance using sensor data. I think it's more kind of a your Python roles which you have done here, right? Optimized multi-department processes using operation research techniques, leading implemented CI/CD pipelines again, right? So mostly you have worked with Python. Yes. Yeah, mainly DevOps, but Python experiences. Yeah, that's what I'm able to see. So your entire experience is on Python. And what I'm able to understand is in the projects, you are more towards Python. So that's an added advantage for you. Definitely people outside companies are looking more for Python. And only thing what I felt is, if I am going to select you, for which role I have to select you. So I have to ask you the question whether you want to come into DevOps cloud or you want to purely go into the machine learning and the Python department where pure coding is there, right? So that's the two streams which you have to select when someone comes. And please change your resume template. That is very much important. Rest, each point, whatever you have kept is very beautiful. Like you have told, like automated real-time data collection, analysis, Python scripts, improving data processing speed by 40. These all things adds little bit enhancement on the things that you are looking for. I think that is very important. Optimized multi-department process using operations research techniques, leading a 30%. Now these points are really good. Now you are telling, now why so many points to this project and only 2 points for this project, people will ask you. So January, February, March, April. So for 4 months, only 2 points you have kept. And for April 2018, like almost like 4-5 years, you have kept these many points. So I would suggest add few more points here, right? And as you have mentioned here, data scientist, here also some DevOps role name should come. What is SR, SC, TO? People don't know, right? So as data scientist, it is clearly telling. SR analyst, again, I am not sure. So might be support or something, because you are telling analyze customer data, improved customer service, mentored new recruits. So again, here also 3 points. So I would suggest the first project is really good, but these two are like what you have done, I'm not able to get that. So I would suggest you can actually add more pointers, change the resume of template of the entire resume, keep this as a project 1, then this project 2, and this project 3, right? And okay, again you have given projects here, so it's really confusing, like what were you about to tell? So you are telling chat application which Django Redis CI/CD pipelines. Okay, for me it was little bit confusing. Your resume was work experience, you are telling everything here, then again you are telling projects. So which company you have worked for, which project, people are not sure, right? Are you understanding, Ankit? That's what, right? It will happen. People will ask you like what role you are applying. I am also confused because I was literally confused with your resume. Why you have kept project here, which company you have worked, what project, I am not sure. I was thinking that these are the projects, right? And again I saw like this is, so which company what you're working, people doesn't know. So there is some gap here which you have to fill. I think entire template, entire resume has to be changed. That is one important thing. Okay, Ankit, clear? I hope that makes sense, right? Okay, thanks a lot for attaching your resume. So many people have attached. Let's see Shiva's resume here. Once we will see like what exactly like Shiva, system engineer, DevOps. Okay, let's see. System engineer, DevOps with 3 years of full-time experience in CI/CD pipeline development, cloud infrastructure, automation, system performance monitoring, proficient in Jenkins, AWS, Zabbix, fundamental knowledge of Docker, Terraform, strong background in coding, security test practices. I think this is good. Skills, excellent. This looks promising. Ankit, this is what I was expecting from you, right? System engineer. See how clearly he has mentioned system engineer, from when to when, DevOps, which company, right? So everything is in one line. So I can understand like he has worked this particular project in this company and he has told so many things, which really is good. Let's see what he has kept. Okay. Developed and deployed CI/CD pipelines, led deployment 2021 to, okay, 3 years. Okay. Led deployment coordination across teams, achieving an on-time deployment rate for product updates and providing training to documentation to ensure smooth process. Configured and managed Bitbucket repositories, improving code management efficiency and reliability. Created webhooks. Okay. Now, only one thing which I feel from Shiva resume is, Shiva, are you there? Shiva, are you there? Yes, no? Okay, if Shiva is there or not there, that's fine. But guys, see here, his points are good. Literally, I am feeling very good. But it's just like which tool I have to see. It's a little bit confusing because entire paragraph, whatever the pointers he has written, is very plain. So I would suggest if you are able to bold the letters, like let's say like you are bolding here CI/CD Jenkins, and here you are bolding Bitbucket, or somewhere you are bolding Zabbix triggers, improving heads disk utilization. So these all are like factors which recruiters will quickly come to know with your resume. They don't want to feel kiar I have to go with every line. No, whatever the tool they want, if it is bolded like this, let's say like Zabbix is bolded here, right? So if when I'm saying the tasks point wise, my first eyesight is going to Zabbix. Do you agree with me, guys? This is for anyone basically. Okay, Kasula. Okay. Now all of you see here. Tell me here, did your eyes went to Zabbix? Yes? You understood, right? Everyone? Not understanding? If you see here, your eyes have directly gone to Zabbix. Among this all lines, I have just figured this out and my eyesight will go to that point. I think his roles and responsibilities are very good, which he has kept for 3 years. And again, he is telling AWS Internet, which company, what task he has done. I think this resume is perfect for the job search. And very clearly, he has mentioned which college he has studied, what is the percentage he has received. I think very clear things. Certificates also he has put. And if possible, you can add your certificate ID if anything is there. That will help you. Accomplishments, nominated twice for the best employee of the month. Oracle, SQL. So I think these all things are very good. Very good you have kept. Okay. So Shiva, your resume is really good. Okay. So no worries. Is it clear, everyone? So Morish is asking, if we don't have real-time work experience but have knowledge on tools with doing projects, how do we put that on resume? See, knowledge and working on the project are almost same. Okay. I can put 100 lines on resume, but the only thing which differentiates you between other people is that how confident are you telling that in the interview that you have done on real, right? That's what makes you different from others. Okay. Right. Krishna is telling, please check Krishna CH. Okay. Let's take Krishna's resume. Krishna, where is your resume? Dhruv is here. Okay, Krishna is not there. Let's go with Dhruv. Are you there? Dhruv Gupta. Dhruv Gupta. Are you there? Okay. Okay, let's understand Dhruv's resume. What exactly is doing? Education, Amity University. Oh, you are still doing MCA, Masters of Computer Application. 2023 to present. Okay. Bharati Vidyapeeth, Bachelor of Communication Engineering, Bachelor of Computer Application, BCA. Okay. Okay. So, Dhruv, are you there? Okay, great. Dhruv is telling, yes, he is there. So, Dhruv, see, एक बात बताओ, आप एजुकेशन दिखा के क्या करना चाहते हो पहले लोगों से, राइट? अगर मैं आपका एजुकेशन देखूंगा, what is the thing I am getting from your resume? I don't want to see your resume. I want to see what internship you have done, what trainings you have done, what certifications you have done. So always make sure whenever you are putting something like this you put on top. Education, keep it down. People don't want your education. People want what internship and training or the projects that you have done. So I think you have worked on Tech Mahindra, AWS Restart Trainee, June, July, August, September. Okay, it's still going. F13 Technologies, AWS Cloud Intern, Feb to May. Okay, 2 internships you have done. That's great. Personal project. Why only one project you have kept? You want to go as a AWS engineer only? Because I am seeing AWS. I want you to keep at least 2 more projects under personal projects. Keep one CI/CD pipeline. Keep one Kubernetes project. ठीक है, Dhruv? Dhruv, are you able to understand what I'm telling? Okay, that was the resume format given by college. That's good. I'm not telling it's wrong, but what I'm telling is, if possible, right, whenever you are telling to someone, always start with your like how people write, right? Summary. What have you achieved in your college? You can write, like, let's say if I am in your place, I will write like summary here. I'm currently studying the 4th year of college, and I have taken part in various kinds of internship, and I would love to work in any organization which where my skills can contribute as a AWS and DevOps engineer, right? Where you are giving a small summary, right? So that will give a more impact. But yeah, if your college is there, I think yeah, so definitely add more project that will add your value. Kubernetes and CI/CD, I think you should add it. Okay, clear? Right, good. Okay, so I think rest all things very good you have added. Okay, and whenever you are adding certificates, please add your IDs of the certificates also. Right, this is also good. So how many pages you have made? 2 pages, huh? Okay, 2 pages, right? It's good. Only thing is, like, I am seeing you have to make little bit changes here and there. Okay, so let's see Lakshmi's resume. Right, Lakshmi is telling this one, highly motivated DevOps engineer 3. Lakshmi, is this your actual resume or you have sent me as a normal resume? Lakshmi, are you there? Yes. Is this your actual resume or you just drafted it, right? I think you have drafted it, but let me quickly see. So DevOps engineer, she's telling highly motivated engineer, 3 years of experience, right? Cloud computing, infrastructure, CI/CD pipeline, professional experience, DevOps engineer, Kindle, Bangalore. Okay, so with this data, you are going to create a resume, right? I hope that you are going to do that. So let's see one by one what you have kept. Highly motivated DevOps engineer, around 3 years of experience in designing, deploying, and managing cloud infrastructure, proficient in automating. Yeah, this is good. Professional summaries app. Skills, cloud infrastructure, CI/CD, containerized configuration. Okay, this is also good. Why Linux? You have put only Ubuntu. There should be few more OS also, like CentOS, Fedora. At least CentOS you can put it. Okay, now this is the important part. Professional experience, DevOps engineer, Kindle Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore. Client, Halyard Health. Roles and responsibilities, design and deployed secure, scalable cloud infrastructure. Leverage, bold the letters, guys. Okay. When you want to tell like secure and scalable cloud infrastructure, people should understand the power of bolding the topics. Okay, so very important. Okay, leveraged AWS Lambda serverless functions and CloudWatch for optimized resource utilization. Very good point, actually. Okay, you can bold this one, AWS Lambda. Implemented automating notifications through Route 53 simple notification. This is also good. Utilize Terraform, automated the entire application using CI/CD pipelines, orchestration, Docker containers, S3 buckets, implemented automated. Okay, so how many years you have worked here? 2 years. Okay, for 2 years you are telling AWS, Lambda, infrastructure as a code, SNS, SQS, CI/CD, Jenkins, S3 bucket, Git. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, your resume looks good. Okay, I forgot her name, Manisha, right? Your resume looks good, but only thing is, whatever you have added, you need to little bit bold the things. At the same time, you have to make sure that whatever you are writing, little bit more on the Kubernetes side. If you write right on the Grafana Prometheus monitoring side, if you are able to add more pointers, it will add more value to your resume. Yes. Okay, Hussein is telling to check his resume. So let me check Hussein's resume. Hussein. Where is your resume? Hussein, I have not found your resume. Okay. Right. Anyone else in the live? Right. Lakshmi is telling. Darpan. Naveen resume. Okay. Naveen's resume. Let's see. Naveen. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, Golang Angular software engineering intern. So let's see. Education KL deemed to be University Bachelor of Computer Web Development Angular. Okay, so this was good actually. You kept education and also you have kept skills, which is an added advantage to you, right? So and then you have put work experience. Very beautiful resume. I think step by step, whatever you have put is very thoughts have been put into the resume. So work experience, you are telling software engineer, intern, analog devices, May to okay 1 month only you did. Oh, 1 year. 1 year internship they gave. Okay, May 2023 to May 2024. Worked on full stack, developed a web application using Angular, Golang to manage, monitor 94 Jenkins controller. Okay, good. Yeah, this is what, when you're putting Angular and Golang, you need to put Jenkins also bold, right? Completed 120 plus Jira tickets during project development and authored a Confluence page. Okay. Developed a fully responsive login admin page with navbar footer. Design an efficient drop-down list to filter Jenkins controller according to region, status, and priority of the controller. REST APIs, okay, good. Developed update version and update memory methods. Okay, you don't need to be very specifically telling that what exactly you have done in the project. You are telling that you have created 2 methods where you have written some code and it is able to use the version update and memory update. Don't need to tell all those things. If any other point you want to add it here, that will be good. Created a unit test. Okay, again, you are telling like this. Worked on DevOps, managed makefile tasks, including linting, testing, build, and push Docker images. Okay. Utilize Jenkins and Docker for CI/CD, achieving 97.17 reduction. How can you know that 97.12 reduction in Docker image size? You have calculated. So people will ask like exactly what you have done. So I think for that reason you have kept 1.47 GB to 42.7 GB you have done. Okay, tell me, who is this? Naveen, right? Naveen, Naveen, tell me, have you done this one? Yes. Have you done that? Naveen, are you there? He's not responding. But yeah, I think this is one of the good automation. Developed a public Jenkins shared library for DevOps teams to send notification. Tested a new Bitbucket by git clone push PR. Developed a web application Kubernetes. So yeah, so I think the guy whose resume I was telling, right? This is good resume. A fresher, I mean, at least with respect to fresher intention, this resume is good. Shopmela website he has done. Supermarket bill he has done. So developed a supermarket bill using Django and MySQL database to manage the products and order details. Implemented a drop-down list for adding products based on quantity like kilograms, liters, and individual. Developed a PDF bill generator that displays the details. Okay. Okay, great. You did in Angular, right? Okay, I think this is good. This resume is good, Naveen. Your resume looks very clean, very perfect. But only thing is, what are you targeting with your resume? Are you targeting DevOps? Are you targeting the multi things like Angular? Golang is also there. Somewhere I am seeing Python. Again, you have put here coding project. So, what is your take? You want to take? You want to go that you have to make it clear. I think that's fine as of now, but you have to still search for those things. Okay, Hussein is telling, check my resume. Hussein. Where is his resume? Okay. Hussein, I have not got your resume. Okay. I'm not able to see. Nawaz Ali Shah. Okay. Okay. Again, Nawaz Ali Shah also I'm not able to find out. Okay. Omar, I have already told you that your resume, see here, what is the mistakes I will tell you. Omar, are you there in the class? Omar, are you there? Omar? Okay. Omar is not there. Omar, आप हो या नहीं? Yes. Okay. Omar hai. Okay. Omar, see here what is the issue. Okay. Understand now. So first thing first, you have told employment history. You are telling Hewlett Packard Enterprise Bangalore DevOps engineer. You are telling this project experience. Under project experience, why is this Australia again getting added here? Right? Either you put HP DevOps engineer. This is good. Okay, this is good. The fonts, like what you are telling, with this resume, people will not understand. Whether you are telling you are working in a HP company, right, and you are telling that you have worked in HP as this, and what else? Like again, you are telling one more project. So put it as you have seen few resumes beyond. Completely change your resume and don't again do the feedback. Okay, like I want you to make it proper like others whatever we have seen till now everyone's resume is good. These all things are good, again I am telling, but what is this and why this space is utilized? You have not utilized the complete space here till down, right? And here also. So why this space template also you change it? Is it clear, Omar? Right? So that is important. Okay, right. So yeah, Sai, are you there? Sai? Yes, no? Okay. This Sai, who was telling like I'm you have joined batch 9, you were telling, right? That's Sai. Sai Teja, I will take your resume also. 1 second. Yeah, you are there, right? Okay. So all of you see here, this is Sai's resume. Cloud DevOps engineer with 4 years of experience is what Sai is telling. In developing, implementing cloud solutions, infrastructure frameworks, help CI/CD, proficient in AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins. Okay, this is good. So, okay, operating systems, scripting language, databases, SCM, Git. Okay, let's keep this aside. Technical certifications. Cloud DevOps Engineer, Capgemini, GEV Treasury Cloud DevOps Project Client. Yeah, this is good actually. Guys, see here. This is what I was looking for. When you are keeping professional experience, it should be very clear what company, what project, what client, what roles and responsibilities. Okay. And one more thing, Sai, why this space you have left here? Anyways, you have left every space here. And why you are left here, this entire space from roles? Right, what is happening is when you are not having space utilization properly, you are not able to tell the people what exactly you have done. And one line statements, people will never take it, because in industry, I can copy this line and I can keep it in my resume also. Do you agree? Do you agree, guys? In industry, right, this one line statements, in nowadays it's not working. You have to continue this line and you have to tell the people what exactly you have done with that particular line. Let's say, like, for example, if I am in your place, I will write like familiarity using Windows and Linux operating systems, where I have worked on disk management, file management, user management, data management in Linux systems, patching of anything. What you can tell to the people that, yes, boss, it is adding a value to me, right? That's important. Is it clear, Sai? Does it make sense at least? Okay, great. That makes sense, right? Created shell bash scripts for manual deployment of code for various environments, database design, proficient in creating maintaining CI/CD pipelines such as Jenkins integrated with tools, DevOps knowledge in IBM Urban Code Deploy. Why do you want to keep like this? Like, see here, DevOps knowledge, where you have kept this line. Okay, Urban Code Deploy, proficient in creating, DevOps knowledge in automating, building, deploying code, troubleshooting experience with build and deployment failures, provisioned in setting up, provisioned in setting up. What is this provisioned? I think some line is missing here or some word is missing here. You are skilled in setting up, or you have done provisioned the AWS resources. You can remove this setting up. Provisioned the AWS resources like this with the help of Terraform or manual. What you have done there? Good knowledge about VPC. Okay. DevOps automation engineer, Capgemini, being capable to work on Windows, Linux, PuTTY, web server setup, demonstrated experience in developing branching and tagging concepts. Okay. So you see here, the main disadvantage is for Kubernetes, you have kept at only one place. You have told Kubernetes here, you are telling Kubernetes here, but when you see the entire project, nowhere Kubernetes is there unless this point, right? and people are looking for Kubernetes. So some modifications have to be done, and you have to put points which people are looking for. Is it clear, Sai? I think rest all it's good, but only thing is, and you have bolded it also like perfectly wherever you wanted to for me to see. I think that's very good. Degree title. What is this degree title? Okay, so template is also not that great, right? Why you are writing degree title here? People anyways knows like Bachelor of Technologies. Okay, at least write degree, right? Remove title, that should be okay. 2015 to 19 MGIT. It's fine. It's fine. No issues. Okay, great. So guys, those who are watching, first of all, like the video. Okay, that is very much important. If you like the video, share it with your friends. I think that is very, very much good for me, for you, for everyone, right? Great. No, no, I don't do any sales profiles and all those things. Okay, I will not check that. Okay, next resume. Who wants to get it reviewed? Oh my God, so many resumes, guys. This many resumes you have put in for with one link. Okay, next. Whose resume will be next? I am finding your resume feedback is okay. I am finding your resume feedback is incredibly helpful. Could you please review my resume, Jayant resume, as I believe? Yeah, sure, I'll do that. Sai Teja. Okay, so many people are telling. Okay, Sai Teja. Okay, Sai Teja. Where is your resume? Resume.pdf. See, I cannot search like resume.pdf and all, right? You are understanding, right, Sai? If your name is there, some idea will come. Okay, anyone else? Chaitanya IBM. Okay. Oh, okay. Chaitanya IBM. Yeah. Okay. Career objective. Let's see Chaitanya's resume. You can understand some pointers from here. To enhance and contribute my professional skills in an organization that gives me the opportunity to evolve in a professional manner. Work experience currently working as a DevSecOps. Okay. DevSecOps engineer at IBM from 2019 to till date. Okay. Professional summary as a DevSecOps. What is it? As DevSecOps as a service, DAS. Okay. IT professional with 5 years of experience as a DevSecOps engineer and complete an IT professional with 5 years of experience as a DevSecOps engineer and complete under. Okay, there is no mismatch in the two sentences. Your grammar mistakes are there in the sentence. Okay, so you have to change that. Please try to change your grammar things here. Experience in implementation of build and deployment automation for Java based web applications. Expertise of using tools to integrate. Okay, having good working knowledge on version control, monitor builds and provide proactive support to resolve any build issues. Work experience with various DevSecOps tools such as Jenkins, Git, Bitbucket, Atlassian, Jira, JFrog. Okay, experience in handling. Okay, why this font got low light? Okay, from here the entire font color got changed, so you have to take a note of that. As Project Liberty platform admin, see, you don't need to write like as, not needed. You have to just write like DevSecOps engineer, that's it. And you have to write like company name here somewhere, like IBM. You say like DevSecOps engineer, IBM. So when you mean DevSecOps engineer, okay, so you what tool you have used for security purpose here? I only see Sonar Cube, and rest all are monitoring things. You are keeping more these all things, correct? Okay, sysdig security. But yeah, so you have to change it. I think either change the title or add some more points which are justifying your role title here, right? Okay, as a Project Liberty platform admin, what is that Project Liberty? No one knows. So you don't write like as a Project Liberty platform admin. That's not needed. You write like SRE engineer, DevOps engineer, AWS engineer. What engineer you have worked on? Let's say support engineer. People will get more idea, and on the bracket you can write IBM or something like that. Okay. Experience in migrating from one cluster to another, upgrading Jenkins instance. Okay, again, this entire color gets changed here. Having hands-on experience in shell scripting, having knowledge on AWS developer tools and services, OpenShift cluster migration for 3. Okay, this is good. This is really good. Okay, so you did the migration of OpenShift, migration of CI/CD also you have done, handling issues. Okay, this is good. Oh, so I was just reading here your professional summary. Why you guys are differentiating this project summary and this roles and responsibilities? Again, you are putting ATCO. What is this ATCO? Which project is that ATCO belongs to? Okay, I was little confused. So you have to either remove. Okay, I am not sure. Either you remove this and put professional summary means what have you worked. Don't divide here again like a projects. Okay, where is this guy? Are you there, guys? This guy, who is this? Okay, guys, whose this resume is? Chaitanya, are you there in this live? Are you there, Chaitanya? Yes, no, not there. Yeah. Okay. So all of you see here. So either you remove this completely, put everything under, you remove this also, put everything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 points under your professional summary. That is good. Okay. Now, again, you don't need to put your tools and technologies. Why you are giving so much content to a recruiter to get confused? You directly come to project details, put project 1, from what date to what date you have worked, put it. You have written this, good. Project 2, date, time, you I mean the month you put it, written this, and you can put this, that's good. Project 4, so in 5 years you have done 5 projects, right? Yeah. Roles, again roles and Bapre, this resume is like, okay, you have to change, I think. Okay, so again, why roles and responsibilities you are giving? So it's so much content to filter out what exactly you have worked. I don't want, like, recruiter don't wants to go into each and every line, right? But resume is good. I mean, whatever you have worked is literally good. But what I'm telling is, for your information, more data is there where filtering the data out is a little bit different. Okay, have you understood? Right. So guys, all of you see here, those who have joined batch 9, have you accessed the level 1 content? Yes. Yes, no. How many of you have enrolled for batch 9? How many of you have enrolled for batch 9? DevOps and SRE batch 9, which I'm going to start from this, what do you say? Like September, in next 2 weeks, I'm going to start it. How many of you are going to take it? Okay, sorry. My question was, how many of you have enrolled for batch 9 and got the access for level 1? Yes, you have got the access for level 1, Chaitanya. Documents, the interview preparation materials, the interview questions. Have you got it? Can you tell me a yes? Yes, Deepankar has enrolled. Okay. Yeah, Darpan, I will take it. Just a little bit of time, I will take it here so that I can guide to the people, those who have enrolled for batch 9, to just go over like what we are trying to do. So those who have not enrolled, please see here. in next 10 days, we are starting our classes for DevOps and SRE batch 9, which I am going to teach you personally in the class. So you will get 14 projects for your resume. And in that 14 projects, out of 14 projects, whichever the 3 best projects you are going to keep it, you can keep it in the resume. And I'm going to share you the resume templates. I'm going to do your mock interviews. I'm going to give you 15 plus assignments. So every week you are going to get some 2 assignments per week, so that you can get to know once the project is done what kind of work that manager assigns you. So that assignments will be at the managerial tasks. And you are going to start with week 1, where you will learn DevOps and SRE fundamentals. Then you will go like every week. So 2 months course is this, and you are finally going to reach at the projects, where every week we are going to do some or the other projects from this 14 projects list. If you see the 14 projects, it starts with DevSecOps pipeline, then pipeline with monitoring integration, Docker project, Kubernetes 3-tier application project. This is Kubernetes tracing project, Argo CD with GitOps, Python real-time coding, Kubernetes custom resource definition, Helm charts, monitoring with Elk Stack, Grafana and Prometheus, Terraform, real-time scenarios, Azure infrastructure. So basically this course, which I'm going to teach, will include AWS and Azure both. And it also includes like Java Spring Boot application with Splunk, Java, little bit Java also we will touch, because in real time, you will be working more on the Java related things. And not only this, I'm going to give you the job guidance of my resumes. I'm going to give Infosys, Walmart and Verizon resume. Infosys resume for domain change people and fresher. Walmart resume for 7+ years of experience, and Verizon resume some 3 to 6 years of experience. Okay. I'm going to share my 400 interview questions, which I have cracked in 30 companies. So you can take from me mock interviews with feedback, and each project roles and responsibilities I'm going to give you. So if anyone wants to enroll, right, no prerequisites, it's completely basics to advanced I'm going to teach you, right? So if you see here, the placements where the people have got under me, right? So you can just check the placement stories. You can come here and you can see all the placements here, and you can also search their names on LinkedIn. Okay, if I'm telling anything lie, you can search their names on LinkedIn. So this is the batch 9, guys. Okay, and today being the Vinayak Chaturthi, the Ganesh Chaturthi, anyone is interested, you can enroll with me. No prerequisites. Okay, no prerequisites at all. I will be teaching my personal attention to you guys. Okay, Narayan, you can ask your query here. I'm available, right? Sorry, because so many queries will come in different kinds of platforms, so I cannot check it. But yeah, I'm available here. If anyone wants to ask any queries with respect to batch 9, you can ask me. I'll be happy to help you. And same goes with the LinkedIn people also. If you have any queries with respect to batch 9, if you want to understand some things with respect to batch 9, you can always ask me. Yeah. Oh, Python masterclass, if you have missed, it will not be given to you. So basically, you have to join that live class, basically. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now, anyone, this was most beneficial live I have been in. Thanks, Praveen. Sure. Yeah, Ankit, so many DMs. Okay. So I will check. Okay, if time permits. Yes, job assistance is there, Rakesh. That's what I told you. So if you see how my previous students are taking help under the job guidance section in the website, if you have seen whatever I'm going to tell you, I'm going to make you. I'm going to show you the jobs, how you can apply. Also, I will tell you, but finally you have to apply, right, Rakesh? That's very much important, right? So I think those who have joined, Rakesh and everyone, this is the batch 9 link, guys. And a very beautiful batch this is, because in this batch, in the last batch, batch 8, people have got jobs. You can check here in the placement story also, which is available here in the website. You can check there, as well as you can talk with any of the student in the LinkedIn. Okay. No 10th batch will be there, Lucky Rock, because see what happens. I'm completely into teaching from last few months. Okay. Who said it's a master class? Did I told you it's a master class? This guys na, like kahan se aate ho aap log? I never said it's a master class. Okay. Please check for my resume DevOps Ravikant. Why DevOps Ravikant is there? It should be Ravikant DevOps. Okay. First your name should come. That's the primary main thing. Narayana, have you enrolled? Narayana is telling in batch 9, yes, recordings will be available. all the classes are live classes. I am going to come and teach you. Okay, I'm going to come teach you in the live class. Okay, like this, how I am teaching, and you are going to get interaction also. Okay, so Rakesh is telling my brother is fresher and he is looking for role. He also needs your job assistance. Rakesh, you are an experienced guy. You know what to do. Take steps accordingly. Okay, great. Okay, great. So you have enrolled for batch 9. So Narayana, if you have enrolled for batch 9, you have to hit this link. Okay, hit this link. Go to your purchase tab. Okay, there you go to 9.0 module. I'm going to show you. I'm going to type here, and then documents will be available. Okay, yeah, 1 week back. This is the path you have to follow. Those who have enrolled, www.heydevops.in purchase tab 9.0 module. There will be level 1 documents. Okay, and soon from tomorrow the level 2 documents will also be available for you. No, all sessions are live sessions, and once the live session is completed, you will be getting recordings on your website itself. Okay, and sometimes if you are not able to join, you are going to get it. Okay, great. Fresher opportunities, definitely we will talk in batch 9. Okay, so those who are enrolling, you can enroll here, and any queries you have, you can ask me. Okay, Mayuresh is asking, I have overall 3 years of experience with MS SQL Server and application support. Now looking for DevOps role. Should I put personal projects? Yes, you have to put. If you put personal projects, there can be some chances like how you are putting, you are not aware and all those things. But if you join batch 9, I'm going to help you. Mayuresh, clear? Yes. Great. I have missed Python class. Where can I find the recording of it? I have enrolled. Okay. So if you have missed the class, Python 1, it's a master class, right? So it's basically not available. Okay. So those who have enrolled for batch 9, guys, one important thing, once you have enrolled for batch 9, you have to, okay. Jerry is asking for the resources of AWS account on Azure on joining on batch 9 for hands-on. Do we need to provide our own accounts? Yes. I'll be helping you how you can create your account, how you can create your IAM roles, service principals, VPC, subnets, everything. Okay. Great. Any questions? Jerry, so if you want to be the part of this, this is the link which is available for you. You can check here, right? I have given here for you. You can just go ahead and take it. Yeah. And Mayuresh, obviously for you also, I'm telling the same, right? I'm a fresher. I'm interested in, can I take? Yes. See, I think this is the third time or fourth time you have asked me this question, right? You can definitely take it and you can keep those projects in your resume also. No one is going to stop you. That's for sure. Okay. Right. Okay. Any questions? Anyone is enrolling? Anyone is interested in enrolling? No, Shivans, that is not possible again. Okay. That's not possible. If you are interested, you can definitely enroll. Okay. Right. Ravikant Brijwasi. Hi, Praveen. I have joined for batch 6. No, Moses, it's not possible, right? Because every batch has recordings. So if you want to have batch 9, you can have the batch 9. Oh, sorry. Batch 6 access as you have, you can watch the recordings, right? Okay. Any questions? Yeah. If you are interested, you can enroll. That's what I was telling, right? Okay. So let's see some more resumes now. Anyone's resume? Okay. Sai Teja T. Okay. Okay. So many resumes I got. Sai Teja. Okay. I think this one. Sai Teja, are you there? Sure, Kishore. That will be really helpful. Okay. 12 plus years of experience, more kind of a managerial role, understanding on the projects is important. So those things are important. So definitely, Kishore, you can enroll yourself. And you can definitely, if you don't know those projects, if you're not aware, like how to do those. I think that is very helpful. You can definitely enroll yourself. Okay, I'm giving that link on the LinkedIn also, you can just check. Right, so Sai's resume we will see, and before that Sai has created a Blinkit clone repository. Okay, it's a static data. Let's see. Oh, it's a static data you have kept. Add. Let's say I do add. What will happen? Hey, Sai, are you there? Sai? Yeah? This is your resume only, Sai Teja? Whose resume is this, guys? This one. Kasula Sai Teja. Whose resume is this? Okay, I'm not sure, but I'm just looking at the project, what he has done basically. Oh, everything is static website. Nothing is actually routing. So basically it's a UI. Okay, done. Oh, okay, it's again a manual thing. Movie flicks. Action. Okay, filtering. Adventure. Okay. Animation. Adventure. Kung Fu Panda, no more. Okay. Yeah, your resume is good because I was just looking at the projects. Okay. So whatever you have kept, you have worked on some companies also. I think that is good. Your resume is good. Okay. No issues. Okay. Jerry Nikki. Okay. Jerry Nikki is asking. So we have to fulfill his request. Jerry. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let's talk with Jerry right now. So work experience, Philippines, Jerry belongs to. Okay. So Jerry is telling he's a cloud engineer. Enhance security, reduce security vulnerabilities and compliance failures by 90% using AWS Security Hub as your expertise. Deploy. Okay, that is again important. Okay. So Jerry, again, I am telling you don't need to put a subheading for every line, which is very important, right? People don't want this. People want what exactly the work you have done, right? If you keep like one line also, that should be good, because in the intelligent systems, what like here you have not put, right? I hope you are understanding what I'm talking about. See, it's also a work experience in a company. It is also a work experience in a company. For this role, you have kept this. For this one, you have not kept this. So it means there is some difference, right? So that's what I'm talking here. It should not be like that. Okay. So either you make it clear that you want to go in which pattern, but okay, you have kept it. And again, one more thing, let's say like Azure expertise, deployed and managed Windows virtual desktop on Microsoft Azure. So when you talk about Azure and you are adding expertise, there should be some more add-on things which are making that line more strong. Let's say I am Azure expertise. I have kept Azure expertise. What I will tell, I have created and managed the entire Azure infrastructure for projects. I'm capable of writing Terraform code, deploying things on the Azure, and spinning up some 2-3 points. I hope you are understanding, Jerry, right? And same goes with every line when you are writing, monitoring, enable Datadog on AWS resources for how you have enabled, what have you done for that? Have you created any scripts? Have you directly did that? How was the service integration you have done? So that is very important. Again, these all things are one liners, so I would suggest you change everything here to some reliable content of lines which adds value to your resume. Okay, dot era, again Philippines. Okay, again same thing happens here, right? let's say, for example, use Docker for deploying Laravel applications in ECS and ECR. This is okay, but what have you done later, right? So let's say like I have used Docker. With that, I would have done something, right? Like let's say like written Docker files. So you can say like uh, created Docker files for deploying the Laravel. Now used is different, created is different. In ECS and ECR, you say like um, developed the Docker files for Laravel applications and deployed their images on the ECS or ECR repository, and actual applications were deployed on ECS. Are you able to understand, Jerry? That makes sense? Yeah, that makes sense, right? Right. Great. Okay. So, guys, tell me how many of you are interested in joining batch 9? Anyone? Okay, from this live, I'm going to take 2 people who are with me, and those two people, if you are enrolling, let me know, and I'm going to talk with you also. If you need any doubts, any queries you have, I will be allowing you, yeah, to talk with me. Okay, anyone who is interested to enroll for batch 9? Manish, great. Manish is there. One more person who is interested in batch 9? If you are interested in batch 9, okay, you are interested in batch 9. Okay, great. Okay, great. So if you are interested, you can enroll now. Okay, I'll be available for next 5 minutes, and you can directly come on live and you can talk with me. Okay, right, Prince. If you want to enroll, you can enroll. I'll be in live. I'll be waiting for you guys. Once you have enrolled, tell me enroll, and you can come to the live. You can talk with me, and then whatever your queries are, we will sit and talk and resolve. Okay, and I'll tell you also the plan, like what exactly you have to follow, and then we will. Yeah, that's what doubt. That's what I'm telling. So doubts also you can ask me. Yeah, Prince, what's your doubt? Tell me. And meanwhile, those who are enrolling, you can enroll. I will wait. Then we will have a chit chat. Okay. Yeah, Manish, if you are enrolling, let me know, and I will wait. Okay, for some time I can wait. And if you have any queries, you can ask me. Oh, not in live. You don't want to ask in live. Okay. So what we can do? You can ask. No issues. People will not see. Okay. People will not see. You can ask. Okay, once you are enrolling for batch 9, right, let me know in the comment section as enroll, because today is Vinayak Chaturthi, right, and we will take most of the things ahead from today. Okay. Okay, any questions, any queries? If anyone is enrolling, please let me know. You can say like enrolled, and I will take you in live to discuss with me. Okay, the content is top-notch content with 14 projects I'm going to teach you. 10 projects, 14 projects, 15 plus assignments. Recordings will be available and all the sessions will be live. I'll be coming in live class and I'll be teaching you. And doubts clearing session is separate. Hey, Shabina. Yes. Yes. Hi, Shabina. You can ask your queries. Okay. Enroll here for batch 9. Check the placements also. Those who are enrolling, you can always check placements, right? Okay. This is the link for batch 9. You can enroll. Okay. Anyone who has enrolled, guys, no payment issues, right? Like no issues with that. So meanwhile, I will just share my screen. Okay. Raj is telling this. Great. Okay, Shabina wants to talk. Yeah, this is the link, guys. If anyone wants to talk, you can come on the live and discuss. Okay. And meanwhile, those who are enrolling, you can also talk. Yeah. Okay. Those who are enrolling, you can enroll yourself. Okay. And let me know that you have enrolled and we can talk. Day 2 to day 13, day notes are same for batch 9. Day 2 to day 13, day notes are same for batch 9. What is that question? I didn't get that. You can come on live, Raj. Oh, Guru has joined. Okay.
Alexa.
Hey, hi. How are you? Okay, Alexa. Okay. I'll take Shabina, Guru. Okay. So she has some career break, it seems. Okay. She left. Okay. What happened? No, you are on mute. Yeah.
Sorry, Alexa glitch.
Oh, okay. No issues. Yeah. Okay. Some people said they want to join. Let's see. Okay. Long time no see, people. Okay. Those who want to talk or have any questions, you can come on live. We can discuss as a normal stream. We can put it. Okay. So, yeah. Anyone wants to same question? Can it really help me to be expert in? Okay, if you have anything sort of that, you check the data check. You do a data check, cloud storage. Okay, so Guru, I shared what will be the Saturday Sunday class timings. It will be 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST. Currently, I'm working as an infrastructure engineer. I want to upskill in career and DevOps. Okay, sure. You can do it. Link to join, yeah, I'm giving. Oh, okay. I didn't give in the LinkedIn. Okay. So, Guru, today is Saturday only, right? For you also there?
Yeah, it's Saturday 4:30
4:30, yeah.
evening.
Yeah.
I'm 4.5 hours behind you. I'm not
Okay.
in. Many people think I'm based out of US. No, I'm based out of London, so I'm only 4.5 hours behind you.
Yeah, actually, many people think that you are from US. Okay. I don't know like how that notion they got.
Maybe my accent.
Might be. Yeah, Shabina, you can ask with Guru only your question. Shabina.
You're on mute, madam.
Okay. Okay. Let her put in the chat. Okay. Okay. Surya Pradeep. Surya Pradeep. Yeah. So this is 2 months class, which I am going to teach you completely. Okay. And no one will be there. So I'll be the primary person. Right. So you can check in the link which I have shared for the batch 9. Guys, any questions you have? You wanted to talk, right? But I'm not sure. Guru, you want to review resume of Kishore? He has 12 years of experience.
Okay, sure, I can do that.
Okay, I'm screen sharing. Oh, okay, 1 second. Kishore, what will be your resume name? Kishore, right? Kishore Chavan. Okay. Okay. Anyways, I'm not able to see his resume here. Okay. No resumes. Okay, any questions you have? Not resume, let's say. Shabina, you have to join again. Okay, just I don't know like why you are getting dropped out, but yeah, you can talk with us. Those who want to talk, they have to join this StreamYard link. Can directly be in the StreamYard. By the way, Guru, happy Vinayak Chaturthi.
Oh, same to you.
Yeah. Yeah, Narayana has joined. Hey, hi Narayana.
Yeah, hi Praveen.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Praveen. First of all, both of you, happy Vinayak Chaturthi.
Thanks. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead with your question. What question you had?
Praveen, is it cover for that what you have mentioned?
You're talking about batch 9.
Yes.
Yeah, so for batch 9, simply I can just show you all like for a glance, right, what we are covering. So if you see here, right, I'm going to teach you like for next 2 months. So probably like you will be with me till November mid or November end. Okay, just consider that. And the primary focus is on the weekends, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. I'll be teaching, right? And these projects we are going to cover every week. One or two projects, or like in between doubt sessions, we'll be rolling out one project. So like that, projects we are going to cover along with that, assignments and everything will be there, and all the data documents will be available. And always there is a community which can help you. So once you enroll, you will be directly added to a group. Once you go to the website, there will once you enroll, and it will be like feed feed section, and under that there will be a purchase tab. Once you click on the purchase tab, it will route you to the module 9.0. Once you enroll, these all things will be active. Okay, so whatever is there in the website, it will be available for you. You can check, and then you can enroll. Okay.
Yeah. I already enrolled that Praveen, but
Okay.
Prime
Yeah.
9, I have able to see that which you said that Prime
Okay.
batch 9. There is a documents only have mentioned that Git I have seen there Git
Yeah.
sheet.
Yeah.
So, like that, it is mentioned, or that fully that Git related document, all that tools related document you have go there in the future and that
I didn't get
coming
that.
days.
Coming days
Coming
will be
days.
covered. That is only for creating a base, like what
Okay.
data you need to know for a tool, right? If you see, you can
Yeah.
understand with some commands and all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
So
like that in depth of that it will be covered that tool, right?
yes,
Each one.
yes.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Great.
That's the
Thanks a
thing,
lot.
Mike.
No problem. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Prabhakar, any questions you have? No questions. Okay. Silent. You are on mute if you want to talk. Yeah. Okay. That's fine. Guru, I think Shabina, who has asked, she is not seen here.
Hmm.
That's fine. Okay. You wanted to talk anything, Guru? You wanted to discuss?
Not much, really, no. Like, if somebody had question, I can answer.
Yeah. So I think Santosh is telling, sir, is it fine if I put DevOps and Scrum Master role together?
Why not? I'm a Scrum Master, I'm a developer, I'm an infrastructure engineer, I'm a CM certified as well. So the thing is, don't say that you see your role. Whenever you mention the CV, don't say that your role was a Scrum Master. You can say you were the deputy of the Scrum Master. That way, your main skill should be DevOps, if that's what you're going for. And say in the absence of uh, your Scrum Master, you were the deputy. You can do that for sure. Scrum Master. That
Oh.
way, your main skill should be DevOps. If that's what
Hey, Raj, go ahead with your question.
uh,
Yes,
Raj.
hello.
Hey,
Hello.
hi, Raj. Go ahead. Yeah,
Hi. Sorry, I was like un-
no problem.
unmuted. Yeah, so I just had I will just add my CV URL. Just
So as of
just.
now, that is completed, Raj. Okay. So any
Oh, sorry.
questions you have? Yeah. So if you want to have any query, you can definitely ask. So no issues.
Yeah, yeah. Sure. So basically, I used to work as a cloud security analyst, and
Okay.
I wanted to like pursue my career in BFSI and in cloud security, whereas I've been working as a full stack developer since last 1.5 year. So like I did DevSecOps and everything, but I lack the skills like Docker and Kubernetes. So, is that like the primary requirement when I need to join, let's say, as a cloud engineer? Because I do have a AWS cloud certificate for solution architect associate, basically.
Okay. What's your question?
So, how can I like transition and like what all skills that I can focus on?
Why do you want to transition? Because you are already working in a development role, right? But you
Yes,
have some
correct.
touch base on other skills like the AWS, DevSecOps, little bit you have touch. Why do you
Yeah.
want
So
to shift?
yeah, yeah. So I used to work as a cloud security analyst at one of
Okay.
the big four. So
Hmm.
then I started working as a full stack developer again. So prior to that, I had my own startup. But now I want to career like I want to pursue the career as a cloud security and specifically in BFSI domain only. Because of my like I have some interest in finance, and in fact, if I would have shared the CV, you might have got the gist that the some of the projects that I worked on, it's like automating the finance and stock related analysis or personal finance related stuff. So that's where I want to pursue my career, basically.
Understood. Understood. That's okay. But as of now, see, I'm not completely into security.
Hmm.
Okay. And
Okay.
Guru, you have any insights?
I used to work for Goldman Sachs.
So not sure. Like,
You don't know Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is, if you're talking about BFSI,
Yeah.
then yeah, and Goldman Sachs, Citibank, Credit Suisse, Fidelity are the top people. Right. One thing I have found is finding a role in BFSI is like a chicken and egg problem. Unless you have experience in BFSI, you normally don't get a role in BFSI. Okay,
Okay.
just to let you
Okay.
know. I was very lucky enough to work for Fidelity Investment as my first job here in UK, that is. But I came as a
Okay.
support engineer. Then after 3 months, they made me technical lead of their biggest program due to some exceptional skills which I had and I could prove. So, and I stayed at Fidelity for 6 years, and then I moved to Credit Suisse, Goldman, and Citibank. Yeah. So it's a chicken and egg problem. Number two is, my suggestion is, in BFSI or investment banks, normally only one skill is not considered good. You need to have multiple skills in your thing. For example, if you look at Goldman, or they have 10 rounds of interview. They not only ask your technical, security, support, databases, everything they ask. So you can go as a specialist in one, but you need to have knowledge of other as well. So my suggestion is, don't leave your current job, just add skills and then become good in one, maybe via certification or something like that, and then showcase only that one as your major contribution in your current project. That would help you.
Okay, so like talking about the like where I'm currently working, it's one of the biggest cash management in India. So I've been making a product which is a remote monitoring system, and it monitors for more than 10,000 ATMs. But the issue that I'm facing is I don't want to pursue the career as a developer only. Like since I know I worked across all the stages of SDLC, and still I'm finding it difficult. In fact, like I got the opportunity to have an interview for Fidelity, but like I wasn't shortlisted actually. So and I didn't get the reason as well. So that's the basic issue that I'm facing. Like in like as you mentioned, I shouldn't be focusing just on one skill. It's good to have one as a major chunk. So I have been focusing on database management or multiple frameworks or like in Python, in cloud security, but still somewhere I don't know where I'm at lacking. So is it like I should be having sort of a CFA or FRM kind of to prove myself or prove my skills in risk management to get into it? Uh,
I don't know. My suggestion is your question is too long for other people,
Yeah.
and the
yeah,
thing is, uh, it is going to go as bouncer for most of them. My suggestion is, Praveen, can you send him my LinkedIn,
Sure. I'll do.
and he can ping me there, because I think if I talk, everyone will be yawning or they will be eating laddu, because today is Ganesh Chaturthi, right? They'll get bored. So
Okay.
Raj, ping me on LinkedIn. I can share some context if you want.
sure. Thank you very much, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to both of you.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Ankit Arya, kuch question?
Yeah, hi Praveen, hi Guru. Currently I'm in a government organization, and the first resume that you reviewed, it was of mine. So you said that, even my resume also gave the vibes that I'm into Python and a little bit in DevOps. So the thing is, for last 6 years, I'm in a government organization. So it's like I'm a one-man army. We don't have a team. We don't have an IT sector. So I'm developing applications. I'm deploying them using tools. But it's like completely one-man army kind of stuff going on there. So I'm not in a particular Python developer also. But I know how to develop web applications, how to deploy them, and all that stuff. So I'm doing a lot of things over here, and I have experience of lot of tools and technologies, methodologies related to Django, little bit of Redis, databases, and all that stuff. And now what I'm thinking is of transitioning into a DevOps engineer also, because that's something that interests me somehow. So how should I focus on my journey, and is it the path which I should even take on, or should I continue with my Python? Because I don't think that Python jobs are really there in market for 9 years of a guy who is really very limited to Django and Linux systems and
No, let me tell
databases.
you. See, Ankit, see, your profile is very good. As far as I have seen, your profile was very good. Very rare people comes up with the skill set like यार Python भी कर लेंगे, DevOps भी कर लेंगे, सारी चीजें कर लेंगे. But what I am more concerned was what track you want to go with. Either you put in 2 projects, you put like DevOps/Python engineer. Both the projects you put it, no issues. Keep DevOps and Python both together and make sure कि आप उसको divide नहीं कर रहे हो. When you're dividing as a project, people think what role I have to select you, and then HR will call you and she will ask like which role you are interested with, right? I would suggest if you keep DevOps, because you already know Python, getting chances is more, because in India, like 8 to 9, maybe now if you see the current market, Python is mandatory for everyone. Like coding should come with respect to OOPS, with respect to little bit complex solutions, how you are going to do. People are really looking at like pagination concepts, or like you hit the endpoint, get the data, manipulate the data with respect to date formats and all those things, right? So you can do it. Only thing is like tweaking of your resume. That's it.
Yeah. So the feasible solution for me was to, since I am having knowledge of Python, and for DevOps, what I have did is, I have gone through courses via, if you know Tech with Nana or some similar authors. But the only thing the problem that I face is that, my company does not offer me the tools to practice on. So I have to spin up maybe some Docker or maybe free tier AWS accounts, but I cannot, spin up those EKS clusters or something to, get my work done and get my hands dirty.
See,
So one feasible solution that I was thinking was, see, I'm good at Python also, and I'm well versed with DevOps and tools also. So what I can do is I can make two separate resumes for both the roles, because that I know little bit of this, little bit of that, and I know. But recruiter does not know which role I have been doing for past 9 years. So maybe I can separate my resumes and share the resume that they are looking for, rather than sharing all the information in a single resume and not getting shortlisted for any of them.
Okay. So for all your answers, for all your questions, my single answer will be, if you change your resume, you will get calls. I'm betting on this thing. Okay, that's the only thing. Either you check on my YouTube channel how I have prepared my resume for Walmart, you take that reference. I think that will help you in understanding how to keep the projects, how to keep, if you don't keep like projects separate on Python and mix the DevOps with Python, that will add your advantage. So unless more than that, I cannot tell you anything, because you have
Sounds good. Sounds good.
you have worked on everything. So get a call, you need to change it.
And one more follow-up question. So, if I include more of DevOps and less of Python for a DevOps role that I am targeting.
I am not talking like
So,
you have to include less of Python. I said, like, in the DevOps project, whatever you have got as an automation task or you have done in a Python task, you keep that. You are proud to tell that. I'm not telling like you should. Okay.
So can I just justify my 9 years of experience with the DevOps tools that I am practicing on my own, rather than the best practices that industry is following?
No, that also you cannot do. So that's what I told you. You have to manage the last few years. Let's say like 5 years, you keep your Python only. In the next few years, you keep like DevOps and Python mix. But see, I don't know like why you are fearing. Python is more in need. ML in like Python is the core, and many DevOps engineers they don't have that proper coding skills. If you take Atlassian, if you take Microsoft, if you take Google, if you take like Walmart, Python is, they will ask OOPS directly. They will ask lead code questions directly. So you are in a good role, and you should search for that kind of role only.
Okay. Any suggestions, Guru?
Are you in a government role?
Oh, yes.
And how is the pension?
You forgot 1 month ago we had talked regarding same, and you did not give me time.
Yeah, sorry. I get too many calls. One thing I see, remember that looking at long term, right? Do you get pension after you retire?
Okay.
No, I'm asking.
No. I don't.
No, okay. Because if you're getting a good pension, don't quit your government job.
No,
Yeah.
all I can say is that I am getting for the rest of my life 3% of annual increment.
No. That's fine. Annual increment you will get. But after 65, do you get pension?
No. I don't.
Okay. Because if you're going to get pension, my suggestion is, if you're getting 3 to 4% pay rise per year, take it. But if you're not getting pension, then switch, obviously.
No, I'm not getting it.
Yeah, okay. Because my dad used to get a very good pension, and he didn't give a monkey's about private job anyway. So, and the thing is, after he passed away, my mom got half. So at least you and your families can be taken care of. But okay, they may not be the best payers, but you have long term. If you get promoted, maybe. So coming back, my suggestion is, use your common sense and think what may be good from a recruiter's point of view. As Praveen mentioned, you already have a good profile and CV. My suggestion is, don't overthink. What you think and what will happen normally is bit different. I wouldn't say totally different, bit different. Yes, you may plan all the things, but none of them may happen, and you may not plan anything. And here you go. So my suggestion is, upskill yourself, think what will make you happy and what you want to pursue. Yeah, and think
Uh,
what it is. Yes, and then apply. The thing is, if you have 2, 3 CVs, well and good.
hmm.
Yes, but when you apply, use the right CV, but make sure that during the interview also you speak accordingly, because if you give the same answer, maybe they will think that you're a dodgy person.
Sure, sure, sure. Because
Yes.
more than a financial problem, I don't think that the financial problem is there with me.
Guru,
It's more
one
like of
second.
an exposure and expiexpertise
Okay,
that
let's
I'm
talk
looking
about
for.
that. I
Because
think we have to be
others are
fair
also
for other
there.
people. We have
Yeah.
to be fair
So
for
Ankit,
other
Yeah,
yeah,
people.
sure,
we have to talk with other people also. I think we have
sure,
spent
sure,
more.
sure.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Great. Yeah. Lakshmi, go ahead with your question. Yeah.
Hi Praveen. First of all, happy Ganesh Chaviti.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks.
Uh, I have been searching for a job from 1 year, but still I'm unable to get it. And I have 2.5 years of experience. And is that a drawback for me? Like, is that experience matters for getting a new job?
So you had 2.5 years of experience and 1 year of gap, right?
Yes, yes.
And why that gap was, if you are able to answer, like, is it fine?
It is because of my health issues.
Correct, right.
Doctor
See,
advised me to
no issues
rest.
then. No issue. For ladies, for working women, that's a right, Guru. I'm telling right because I've seen few of the working women who have taken this opportunity from the medical certificates and all they have, and
Sorry, I do not know the laws in India, because in UK and Western country you cannot discriminate. If you do that, you can be sued. So
oh,
you
is it
cannot
okay?
do that. Yeah, no, you cannot. And
Uh,
taking a gap here is considered to be a good idea.
oh, okay. I think
Uh,
no. In India,
so
people usually think like if you are having a medical reason, that is good, and
Okay.
it depends. The thing is, HR will never tell you why they rejected you, because
Okay.
they may be sued legally. So what they do is, oh, we have found a better candidate. That's it. They will do. So you can never find out. My suggestion is, don't overthink, Lakshmi. You okay? So what? You got a break. For
yes,
example, if you go to IBM or Accenture, they have, and even Wipro, they have a return after something. Return some uh, schemes are there where people have taken some gap due to various reasons. They are allowed back. I think Accenture, Wipro, and one more, was it Cognizant? I don't remember. The big five. They had those, but of course, given the market conditions, that may not be available right now. But my suggestion is, don't overthink. Just upskill yourself. The thing is,
Okay.
don't. The thing is, when you have a gap and you don't get a role, no, you just overthink. That's what it is. Don't
Yeah,
just
yeah.
overskill and apply, and maybe set up resume, ask people, other people, for like 1 or 2 hours of mentoring or something. Because sometimes you do the generic stuff, you have to, but sometimes you need one-to-one session, maybe with someone who's very senior to help you.
Okay.
yeah. Don't worry
And
about your break. You just started.
yeah, that's fine. And like now I'm not getting the calls. That's my main
Yeah, the thing is that not you, not many people are getting the calls.
Correct.
It's
No,
not
yeah.
about you, or not about Guru, or not about Praveen, or not about Vijay, or Narayana, or Shivans, or Raj, or Ankit. No, it's the thing is, I'll tell you something. On an average, for single job, 1,500 people are applying. Yeah,
that's true.
Okay.
1,500 people. What is the chance you will be shortlisted?
Yes, yes.
So don't worry, it's not you. Good times will
Okay.
come very soon, and then people will be on the other side of the table, as they say. So don't
Okay. Okay.
overthink. Upskill
Okay.
yourself, and you should be fine. Take a break more now. I wish I could. My missus is telling me to take a break for the last um, 2 years. Guru, leave the job. Don't do anything. I'm not listening to her. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, like the thing is, I'm not like Praveen. You have also reviewed my resume now.
That is not resume, right? That's
Yeah,
what I am.
actually, yeah, yeah. I just prepare. I mean, I have tailored all my points.
That's
Just that's it.
that's good. That's good.
Yeah,
And I would suggest take a good template and then put all these pointers into a good template. Okay.
yeah, sure. I have
Oh,
just made a random points.
understood. No
Yeah.
issues. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
great.
Thank you.
Yeah, right. So yes, guys, that was today's live. We have discussed with a few of you, understood your pain points. Few of your resumes have been walked through. Yes, obviously, Guru has helped in understanding few of the things, situations, and all market scenarios. It's bad, and I'm able to see like in UK also, it's a little bit tough, right? As of now, because people are messaging from there also, and sometimes I'm redirecting to you also. Like go with Guru, he is there, he can guide you. So I think that's important. Thanks a lot, Guru. Right, and we will see in the next live. Great, thanks. So guys, that was today's live. Thanks to everyone, those who have joined us, and see you in another video. Okay, so keep an eye on the things which we are rolling out. Keep an eye on the batch 9. If you are interested in enrolling, you can enroll by today, right? You can take time, understand things, go over every point. If it suits your requirement, then only you enroll. If you think that yes, this guy can help me in overskilling or upskilling or making sure I get good job, you can definitely join with us. Okay, right. So happy Vinayak Chaturthi to all of you. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi again, and please take care of yourself and your family. And see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks all. Bye. Yeah, thanks Vijay. Thanks a lot. Just now seeing your message. Thanks a lot. Okay. Bye.